10 powerful ideas to make the world a better place. 10.
360-degree cameras on garbage trucks enable maps to be updated much more frequently.
9. Men's restrooms should be designed to provide more dignity and comfort. 8. Pharmacies should be able to view medication inventory with QR codes. 7. Cars should have a single button "Thank you" display on the back. 6. Suitcases should include the weight on the handle. 5. Every elevator should have automatic hand sanitizer. 4. Items left at airport security should be shippable. 3. Waiting time should be displayed at checkouts. 2. Every table should have a call button. 1. Empty parking spaces in shopping mall parking lots should be indicated with LED guidance lights.